Take 3 of this intro. I am like all over the place today. Anyway, first of all, let's discuss this lip. I'm so out of my comfort zone between this bold stripe and this bold lip. This is not me, but we're trying something a little different today, and you'll see that coming soon. But anyway, today's video is a bonus video. I usually only do 1 video a week, but I really needed to film this video because it is a Stitch Fix maternity edition try on and review. So, sorry about my hair today, guys. It's in desperate need of being washed, and I just didn't really want to do it. But anyway, so yeah, Stitch Fix maternity. In case you guys aren't aware, I'll give you the gist of Stitch Fix in general, and it's the same for maternity. It is a clothing subscription box that you can choose the frequency of how often you want to receive boxes. They send you 5 items per month. It can be anything from clothing to shoes to accessories to purses. And I think and like basics too. You can get like undies and stuff. And it is a $20 a month styling fee that will go towards anything you decide to keep and purchase. Otherwise, you lose that $20. They also will discount the total of all 5 pieces by 25% if you decide to keep everything. So that's also handy. And you set your prices. So if you're not comfortable with spending $75 on a top and you like to be like, you know, as cheap as possible or 50 and under or whatever you are at, you set that in your profile. So the products and items that are getting sent to you should be within your style preferences, within your budget, and within your sizing. So yeah, I have used Stitch Fix in the past, not pregnant. When I build my profile properly and I link my Pinterest page and I keep it updated, I get really great boxes. If I slack and I'm not really being like diligent about updating my profile, it wouldn't be as good. But with maternity wear, it's a whole new ball game. So let me give you the gist on maternity wear in today's day and age. Let's fix this hair because it's just looking a little insane from what I can see. Here's the deal with maternity wear. Most stores that people shop at, Target, Old Navy, Macy's, Nordstrom, they have maternity wear. It's cute stuff. It's somewhat affordable, but it's online only. A lot of these stores barely offer anything in store for maternity. And the ones that do, the selection is scarce and kind of frumpy, to be honest. Like, I can't tell you the amount of times I went to Target for maternity wear and was like, this is pathetic. Like, no. So, as my bump has grown, I have placed many an order online for clothes to the point that my husband is like, he doesn't even complain anymore, but there was a while that we would argue about how many boxes were coming to the house for maternity wear. And the problem also lies in the fact that maternity wear, although it's built to be for your pre-pregnancy size, so for me, I'm typically I was a size 4'6" prior to pregnancy, depending on the clothes. You're still a size 4'6" in maternity wear. The clothing is built a little bit bigger to accommodate a bump. So very rarely do you want to size up in maternity. However, because the clothes is built to be a little stretchy or a little bit bigger in certain areas, I'm in between sizes. So sometimes I'm a 4, sometimes I'm a 6, sometimes I'm small, sometimes I'm a medium. And because of that, when I was shopping online, I was ordering 2 of everything in every size because I had to. Like, it just wasn't worth it to not. So the online shopping got a little out of hand for a few moments during this pregnancy. So after a while, I forget how I even discovered that Stitch Fix does maternity. I might have been like Facebook ad, I don't remember. But I just said at the end now in my 3rd trimester, I said, let me give this a try because now that we're nearing the end, I am entering fall now. And when I was first pregnant, early pregnancy was January, February, March. It was the dead of winter. I wasn't showing at all, so I can get away with just leggings and huge sweaters. Now I'm 36 weeks pregnant and going to be pregnant for another month still, and I don't have winter or fall maternity clothes because now I have a bump, like a legit bump. So yeah, I did need a few pieces for this next couple of months and then after, because you don't just go back to having a flat tummy after the baby is born. And I also needed some nursing stuff. And the nice thing about Stitch Fix maternity is not only do they kind of tailor your box to fit where you are in your pregnancy, they also can tailor your box to help you transition from being pregnant to nursing to not being pregnant. So they really have something for everybody. Now we're gonna transition over. I wanna show you guys like the try on of the product, of the clothing I got this month, and then we'll wrap it up. I'll also link below a referral link for Stitch Fix if you want to try it and sign up. It is a referral link that anybody can get. It's not because I'm a YouTuber. If you sign up for Stitch Fix, you can send your referral link to friends and family too. But if you do choose to use my referral link, I do appreciate it, as I obviously will need some transitional clothes soon, so that will be helpful. And yeah, let's just get to the try on, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye. All right, guys, so we are in my unfurnished living room right now. It is a work in progress, and I've never done like using my iPhone to film, so this is a learning process for everything. And I don't obviously have like a very fancy like standing mirror yet. So yeah, I hope we can see things decently. So this is one of the dresses. It is just this super cute, look at my bump. Okay, so I really liked this dress because it does not have the ruching. So once I'm not pregnant in a month or less, this dress will just lay flat, and it's nice and stretchy. It's like that kind of like really stretchy cotton material. I like that the sleeves are short, but they're very loose. And I like the direction of the stripes. I like that the stripes here are downwards and that the ones up here are horizontal. And yeah, I just think it fits really cute. This is in a size small, and you can wear this in the fall with obviously a cute little pair of booties like I'm wearing right now. Or you can transition to just wearing flats at work or something, but you can see the sleeves. See how they're like a little loose so they're not like squishing your arms. And yeah, let me see if I can get a little closer. Maybe you guys can get a better view. But yeah, super, very comfortable. So that is item one. You guys, today I look like I'm carrying so high. The other day I thought she dropped. Ugh. Oh well. So yeah, here we are, 36 weeks pregnant, and wearing this little Stitch Fix maternity dress. I just wanted to show you really quickly how it looks like with a pair of flats, because this is also really great to wear to work because it's a cute little black and white dress. So not only does it work for work, but it works to just run errands too. So I just paired it with some nude pointy toe leather flats that I got last year. And yeah, so that's what it looks like if you're just wearing it casually with some flats or even flip-flops if you're in a warmer climate. All right, so the next one is just a basic gray cotton nursing tank. It's in a size small. It's just those typical like nursing tops that snap down from the front here, but it doesn't like have any of those like awkward like unfold from the top, fold from the bottom things. So from straight on, it just looks like a basic gray tank, and you can pair it with anything. Today I'm just wearing, these are Old Navy's Rockstar maternity jeans, and they are what I think the best. So this top is also really good to just layer. So now that I'm going into the fall, my stylist did send me a couple other pieces that I'm just gonna honestly throw over to show you how you can kind of just like transition this from like springtime into fall or summer into fall. Okay, so here is my own. This is just an Old Navy plaid flannel I got last season. It's non-maternity. Sorry guys, I'm trying to brighten this up, but I just literally threw it over this outfit, and the bump isn't as noticeable anymore. Okay, it's there because I'm 36 weeks pregnant, but it's a little more disguised, and like it just doesn't feel like it's so out there. So yeah, I just like always throwing over a little like button down or something that you can just throw over to make yourself feel a little more like stylish and not just like you're wearing a tank top and jeans. So yeah, I just threw this over it to just give it something a little extra for fall. Okay, so this next item I'm actually gonna pair with the last two pieces, and I'm still wearing the gray tank that they sent. So these are just a pair of maternity leggings, but they're super cute because they have the little zip detail. And you guys, I never bought maternity leggings the entire pregnancy because I've been swearing by my Lululemon Align leggings, which are amazing. And I fully intend on getting another pair like post-pregnancy because they're so stretchy. But these are a pair that I felt like, I don't know, I wanted to keep, and I thought that the little detail with the little zipper was really cute. And like my Align leggings from Lululemon are definitely more athletic. These are more meant to be worn like regular. And the reason they're maternity is because they have, you know, the maternity band. So you've got that going on. And this is the pair that my stylist said that she's been still wearing, and she's 4 months postpartum. So I felt really comfortable with knowing that I'll still get some use out of these, because although it has this pregnancy band, it's not ruched. So it really is just going to be like super high-waisted. So that's good. And in this, I also have a size small, and I really love the way they fit. They're not itchy at all. They're very soft cotton. They're not too thin. They pass the squat test, so you don't have to worry about your undies showing through. But yeah, so and I just threw on this little chambray button down. I actually was wearing this in my last YouTube video. I love chambray button downs. This one I did size up to a medium. She sent me a small originally, and it just felt a little snug on the arms, so I exchanged it for a medium, which their exchange process is so easy. They never really offered that before, from what I remember, when I did like non-maternity Stitch Fix. But now you can exchange, like as soon as you check out online, you can exchange sizes, and it'll even tell you if it's in stock. And the shipping was so quick. Like, I got my new sizes within the week, so I felt really happy about that. So this is just, like I said, a little chambray button down. It has a little detail to fold it up on the sleeves. The little pocket here, this is a non-maternity top, by the way. So this I obviously will have no problem wearing after baby is born, but I just think it looks super cute with the leggings and my little slip-ons and my nursing tank. And I feel very comfortable and very like my own style. Like, this is such a Stephanie outfit, even if I wasn't pregnant. So yeah, I was really happy with it. Last piece is just this green, really thin knit cardigan, and I love this. I actually already wore it to my friend's baby shower recently. I will try to insert a pic if I remember. But yeah, it's just your basic cardigan. It's not maternity, and I do think this is also in a small. What I love about cardigans versus these kimonos. Now, ladies, if you are newly pregnant, or I don't know, anywhere in your pregnancy, but basically I learned this a little later on in my pregnancy. The kimonos, although they're comfortable and like easy to hide behind, are not as flattering as you might think once you see yourself in photos. Now, a more fitted, thin cardigan, so much more flattering, especially if you're like me and you're petite. Like, I'm 5'3", and I have a pear shape, like, obviously. So if you're a petite girl with curves, those big flowy kimonos don't really do us very good justice, other than making us feel more comfortable in our skin, but that doesn't look very flattering. It just makes us look bigger than we are. So when I started wearing more fitted cardigans, I realized that it's doing the same thing of giving me a little more coverage and not making me feel like I'm so out there, but it's not like making my arms look massive, because they're not. And it's not showing, like, it's showing more of your figure. Like, really, you're pregnant, you're not fat, so you don't need to be wearing these giant kimonos. I love the kimonos. I got 3 of them during my pregnancy, and I talked about them in my first trimester bump date, but I've learned that they don't really flatter. So cardigan, thin knit cardigan all the way, guys. And this one in this olive green color is so me. I love olive green. I wear it all the time. So again, I'm pairing this with the same little leggings and the nursing tank, and I just added on like a cute little longer necklace, and that's that. Like, so comfortable, so like easy to put together, and very Stephanie. Like, if you guys know my clothes, this is an outfit I would wear if I wasn't. All right, guys, so that was the try on. I hope you found it helpful. I hope you guys liked the products that I got as much as I did. I mean, I kept all the products, so obviously I really liked them. And I found that I was really happy that my stylist was so good about A, paying attention to where I am at in my pregnancy, and B, she's also a postpartum mom, from my little note. And I don't know if I mentioned this in the try on, but in the little note, she was 4 months postpartum when I first got this box. So she totally knows where I'm about to be at, and I really hope I have her for this 3rd box coming. But yeah. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and we will be back this week with another beauty related video. So thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys later this week. Bye-bye.